Hey Jake, first of all, I want to really thank you for taking the time to watch my video and leave a comment. You're an absolute worldwide superstar right now, an A-list celebrity. I'm just a YouTube piano teacher, maybe in K-list celebrity? Maybe. You go on tour and I'm sure you're very busy right now. So, I appreciate you taking the time and to watch and comment. And I really mean that. Also, your song Golden Hour is an absolute masterpiece. It's one of the most innovative songs I've heard in a very long time. And if I will marry one day, I will play that song when my bride enters the room. So now, I want to address your comment and a couple of points. First, you say, I'm just a songwriter without a label. You also said before,
because I don't have a label promoting me, it's just me and my brother. Because I want to prove that you don't need a label to make it in the music industry.
But why are 79 people managing your Facebook page? Everyone can check that. I click about that page and click here, people who manage this page, 48 in Canada, 26 United States, 4 United Kingdom, and 2 in Singapore. Let's check Justin Bieber. What? Justin Bieber's social media team is 89 people. Ariana Grande, 27 people. Beyoncé, 84 people. Taylor Swift, 111 people. Let's check some social media influencers. Kylie Jenner, only 6 people. Jeffree Star, only 4 people. Casey Neistat, only 2 people. Let's check some independent artists. Chloe Adams, 8 people. V, only 2 people. So Jake, but why do you have 79 people managing your Facebook page? I also visited the website aval.com. Aval belongs 100% to Sony Music, one of the biggest labels in the world. And first thing I see when I visit the website is you. Then I scroll down and it says record label. They provide money for marketing, production and whatever else it takes to push your project up to the charts. Playlisting, radio promotion, Apple ads. I made a detailed video about that. The link is in the description below. It does not look to me that it's just you and your brother. So why do you say that? I think there's nothing wrong with signing a record label, but I felt to be lied at because I really thought, wow, that's this kid who sang the song for his teacher and she had to cry and suddenly he became world famous overnight. Okay, you also said, I use a transpose button so I can always play in the key of C major, all white notes. This makes it easier to play and sing such a complex piece. The piano looks acoustic, but in fact they are electric with the capability of transposing. Okay, I think using a transpose button is okay. My subscriber Sylvie also said that guitarists do the same using this capo duster, but it doesn't change the fact that the videos I watched you playing, I didn't hear what you were playing. It was a recording. And also the teacher's reactions were fake. Here, going 1 frame back and forth. And also here, 1 frame back and forth. Okay, then you said, I leave everyone with this question. Would you rather me take 100 plus hours to perfect one performance or use technology to speed this process so I can spend more time writing new songs? So me as a YouTube piano teacher, and I also do sing sometimes when I play. I would say from your current progress, if you can really play that, to practice this performance to perfection will take you 4 days. Every day for 4 hours. That's less than a week. Is it worth it to practice less than a week? A song, a super hit that you will play again and again? In your lifetime you will perform this song probably hundreds, probably thousands of times. And that's definitely worth it. Practicing it to perfection. Okay, then you said, sometimes I also use loop tracks or layer in the official audio to make it sound better. This is something all artists do to give the listener a better experience. I use loop tracks or layer in the official audio. I use loop tracks or layer in the official audio. What does that mean? All artists do that? I don't know a single one who does that. Anyways, the song is beautiful. You can learn this to play even if you never sat on a piano before with this video here. Thanks so much for watching and subscribe.